Hi, I'm Jody Nicholas. I intend on working on 2016 Infiniti Q50 with a 3.0 twin turbo V6. Today I plan on swapping out that injector. Now let's take a quick look at the parts that we're about to install, and let's get started. Obviously, the first thing we got to do is remove our engine cover. Now this clamp right here has to come off, and this clamp right here has to come off.
That's getting easier. You just bag that clamp right off.
This intercooler should be ready to come out of here, I do believe. Let's find out. That comes right out of that hose really easy. And just be careful not to hang any plugs or any electrical as you're pulling this out, because it'll snag on everything, like this right here. But then you can just kind of fold it over to the side. Now we are ready to take the throttle bodies off. Don't know about it, but anyway, not sure why that was taped. Okay, do this. Now let's see if it'll come up. Serious. Oh yeah, it was too. Look right here. Look up underneath there. You see this? This come undone. Freed it up. I could feel it come loose. All right, now that the plenum is removed, you can actually see down inside there. All right, yeah, there's the top. All right, now this here, there was 8 bolts, 12mm socket fitted that holds this on. And then you got 2 gaskets, 2 separate gaskets up underneath there. There's my bolts. They come out exactly like that, and that's how they'll go back in. Yeah, now that plenum is off, we can now identify our fuel rail. The injector I need to replace is right underneath right here. You don't want really anything going inside those valves. All right, now this rail should pull right out of here nice and easy peasy. Should pull out without hurting yourself or anything. well, I mean, after a minor struggle, not too bad a one. This is the this is the passenger side fuel rail that I didn't really need out, but you really got to take this out to have access to the driver's side. So, oh yeah, and here's it. This right here is that screw that goes to this bracket here. That right there was holding me out the first time. It's way in the back. You really, it's a pain to get to. But that one probably won't be going back in. All right now, hey, maybe, come on, baby. Come on, almost. Now, getting it out. Oh. Getting it out's the easy part, I'm sure. Going back in will probably be kind of hard, but this one right here, that's the one. A little dirt on it, and I'm pretty sure it's clogged. In any case, I got a brand new one for that one. It says Nissan on it. That right there looks good and clean. It looks like the other one. It looks like that one over there, kinda.